All right, so let's talk about that. Let me get into my bag this morning. We're about to wrap this up, by the way. Ooh, where's JW? She here today?
But they do have to sign something, correct? In order for you to do the open house for them.
I just paid an $800 fine to Georgia Real Estate Commission a couple months ago from something that happened 2 years ago. They were back there. It doesn't matter. I was happy to do it. I paid $40,000. So you get some of you guys are scared if you get a certified letter from Georgia Real Estate Commission, and you're scared if they call you. I'm not. I had a text message from a client and an email saying I could show their home. It was like, that's not good enough, Anthony. You need a document signed. I'm like, okay, no problem. And so letting me know. I was shocked they gave me an $800 fine, but I paid it. It was fine.